Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make quick and easy deviled eggs. First, gather your ingredients. 6 to 8 large eggs, mayonnaise, mustard, and a few seasonings. Begin by hard-boiling your eggs. Place them in a single layer in a pot, cover with 1 inch of cold water and bring to a rolling boil. Then, turn off the heat, cover, and let them sit for 12 minutes. Once your eggs are cool, carefully peel them under cold running water. Slice each egg in half lengthwise and gently scoop out the bright yellow yolks into a small bowl. Place the egg white halves on a serving platter. Now, mash the yolks with a fork until they are completely smooth, ensuring no large lumps remain for a creamy texture. To the mashed yolks, add about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Mix everything together until it's well combined and creamy. For an extra kick, you can also add a dash of hot sauce or a half teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed to your preference. Now it's time to fill your egg whites. You can use a small spoon, but for a neater presentation, transfer the yolk mixture to a piping bag with a star tip. Pipe the filling back into the hollowed egg white halves. Finally, sprinkle a little paprika or finely chopped chives over each deviled egg for a beautiful finish. Chill for at least 30 minutes before serving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.